Now let's continue with the Python dictionary. So dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs form. So it is a collection like the list. So a collection is an element that have inside different other elements. So this is a collection, and we can define a dictionary in this way. So the name of the dictionary equal to curly brackets and the various attributes or the various keys. So you define the keys. In this case, for example, for a car, we define the brand, the model, and the year, and we assign to each key the respective value. The respective value can be a string or an int, for example, or another dictionary like in the list that we can append different type objects. So, for example, I defined the dictionary here and we print out. You see that it will be print out in this format. So the key value pair, comma, the other key value pair, comma, the other key value pair. This time they are not like the list, they don't allow duplicates. So if I go here and I define here equal to 2020, you see that each time that you define a new key value pair, you have to place the comma at the end of the preceding one. So now you see that you don't see 2 years key value pairs, so you don't see year 1964 and year 2020, but you only see here 2020 because this last overwrite this one. This is because the dictionaries are not like the list that allow to place duplicates. Okay. To access, for example, a key value, so the value of a particular key, you have to use this format. So I simply copy and paste. So you have to place the dictionary name, square brackets, and the key that you want to access. And as you see, it will be printed out for which is the value of the key brand. Okay. Like the list, dictionaries are changeable. So as I shown you before, I can place a new here, a new key value, and it will be overwritten to the other one. Okay. The dictionary length, let's see what prints out. I remember you that you have to type length of the object that you want to know the length. And you see that the length is 3 because you have 3 keys. If I add one further key, which is different from the preceding one, for example, place the age of the car, maybe 20. Remember the comma. You print and you see 4 elements, so 4 keys. If you place again the same key with a different value, you will see 4 as well, because even if you added another key, the key was already there, so it's not counted up, but it's only counted up the keys that have different values, so the key that are unique. Okay, the type is of a class dictionary. And you can also define, for example, a list. So, for example, you place the owner of the car, preceding owner of the car, owners, so maybe okay, the length is always 4. And you see now that as last value of the key preceding owners, you have a list. So you can define as value whatever object you want. Okay, so thank you and see you next time.